Hey guys, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing. I'm here in my favorite spot at JKS. That's our R&D facility. That is where we develop new products for Jeeps like Project Clifford here. We've been doing that for over 30 years, taking those inherent Jeep problems, adding some off-road performance, and of course, improving that daily drive capacity. With that being said, in 2022, we're going to continue that on the Jeep models, but also bring in some new friends. The Blue Oval faithful will be excited to see our JKS engineers put their skills to the test on the new Ford Bronco. It's really hard to say that when I'm standing here thinking JKS to actually say the word Ford. Again, for 30 years we've been playing with Jeeps. We see the Bronco platform as something that, quite frankly, we just can't keep our hands off it, our minds out of it. We see improvements that we can make, we see performance we can gain, and we see quality that we can put into the vehicle. So stay tuned in 2022 as JKS embarks on the Bronco journey.